Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we are making these delicious sumptuous hot dog buns or sausage buns, mini sausage buns. Mini because I'm cutting the sausages or hot dogs into smaller sizes. Here I have got some boiled hot dogs and I'm just cutting it into four. I'm done cutting the sausages. I have here 8 pieces of sausages, which I cut into fours. Next, I'll add 1 cup of all-purpose flour into a different bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/3 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can use any flavor of your choice. 2 tablespoons of powdered milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use less or more sugar. I'll mix together. After mixing it, I will take out 2 tablespoons of the mixture for later use. And then I'll add the remaining, some water. Mix until I get a light dough or light batter. This consistency is okay. In all, I used 3/4 cup of water to mix the flour mixture. After mixing it, we'll set this aside and go to the next step. Insert skewers into the sausages one after the other. You can also use toothpick for this. I had to cut the skewers I have because they were too long. I will now rub them with the dry flour mixture which I took out earlier on. I'm already heating up some oil on the stove. Next, I'll dip the hot dog into the wheat batter. Dip it very well and then fry on medium heat. I will stir and fry the buns for about 10 minutes. And when it is golden brown, I then take out from the oil and continue with the rest until I'm done frying all of them. And here we have our mini hot dogs or sausage buns, anyone you want to call it. This was so delicious and everybody loved it and wanted some more. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like our video, share our video, and subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.